Hey everybody, it's Cody with River Rock. I just wanted to show you what we just got done this week. Just a small 8 by 14 pond. It's got a long, skinny, narrow intake cove. Turned out super neat. I'll turn this around and show you what we did. I don't ever do videos of our excavation, so I thought I'd pop on here and shoot one real quick. And don't ever think you're not going to run into problems, because we found there was an old swimming pool here before they built this one. These are the old steps. This is the old plumbing, old footing for the old pump station. So if you're ever doing these yourself, just plan on finding one thing that's not fun at least once. So here's the pond. We got our power falls going to start here. We got a jet that's going to be blowing stuff over towards our skim cove. We got some holes in here where she wants to plant some lilies. Just 2 shelves, so we got a 12-inch shelf and then another 12-inch shelf, so she'll have a 24-inch deep pond. And then it steps up here, and that's a little stream that goes into the skim cove. So there'll be about 8 inches of water that come right about through there, and then that is where our pump and everything is going to be housed. So we'll have the aqua blocks. We'll have 5 of those. We'll sit down in here and generate enough flow for our pump to pull and make a current that comes from the pond and pulls everything on the surface this way. And then we're going to tie into their French drain they've got running down the hill. The overflow will tie into that right there. But pretty neat system. It's a little bit different than a skimmer. So we'll have some boulders set there and here, and we'll make about a 12-inch wide opening somewhere in here to create that surface tension, to make anything that's on the surface get pulled over into this shallow area of water, which is catching all the debris and everything and dirt and stuff. Another cool thing about the skim coves is it's safe for the fish. The fish can actually swim up in here and go back into the pond without ever getting in trouble or getting stuck inside a skimmer box. So it's going to be a pretty cool layout when we get it done and all rocked in. Real short, small waterfall. We're going to have a cool little cedar bridge built that comes down out of this living area, or their living room, down to the living area by the swimming pool. We got our bile falls there, and then our gutter runs down and drains into it, and when it overflows, it'll overflow on this end. This is the skim cove, so the intake bay here. So we got 8 inches of water, and here you can see how good it's working, catching all the debris and everything. It's hard to see on the video, but you can see the current is really pulling everything through there real fast. Working really good. This edge isn't finished. She's going to have a bridge that comes down and lands on here, so that'll all be disturbed, so we didn't finish it. But the pump vault's down here. Got a SLD 4 to 7,000 gallon per hour pump, and like I said, it rains, the water level will raise up and it'll overflow into this drain here. So really happy with how it turned out. We got some Gara and some Coreopsis. Got a lot of creeping Jenny and moss, and sweet flag planted. It's gonna grow in really neat and look really good. That's where our autofill is gonna hook up there. The electrician's got to come out and pull an outlet out of the wall right there, so the pump receiver will actually move down there and get plugged in. Short and sweet, little pond, pretty neat though. It's a little over 2 feet deep. We got a jet here. It's flowing at the bottom level all the way across. Got a really neat fish cave right there. The water's already starting to clear up. In the morning it ought to be crystal clear. But 2 foot shelf is right around in there, so fish ought to be really happy. We got lilies planted there and a lily planted right here, so ought to turn out really pretty. And anyways, hope you guys have a good day, and might have learned something kind of neat. See you guys.